Hi everybody, it's Les Gallagher here again. Just another update on our EURCAD trade, what we are currently in at the moment. As I thought, we could have had a retest, and as we look down here in this area here, if you see this green bar here, this is where there's imbalance in this candle when it moved fast down to this area here. And there was imbalance in these candles. It has been mitigated. But what's happened here is you can see here we've got a big long wick all the way up here. From here, this is where I got in and where my buy stop was, around about this area here. So it triggered that trade for me, which is active. It's gone up. We had a long wick up to here, up to the Sunday opening. This is the purple line here. This is the opening price on Sunday, which is important in our weekly trading range. We've got the high up here and we've got the low down here. It came down to test that, and it looks like it's coming down to retest that low as we get nearer to the news. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that imbalance block from there because it's taking it out now. And you can see here it's coming down to retest this area. As we get closer to the news, we're only about 3 minutes away from that. So we're just going to watch and see what happens. It's coming down, touching it, bouncing off. Now, the price could still come down. We do have some equal lows here on the 4 hour, which I've mentioned before. So it could come down and take this liquidity out before it actually goes back up. And sorts this imbalance out, and all the liquidity that's been built up in these areas here. If I just get my little trend line, and if you look here, there's been liquidity built up on this Monday's high. In this area here, we do have some liquidity in here as well, which is built up. So we'll see what happens. It's getting nearer the time now. Again, there's only a couple of minutes to go. But we'll see what happens. Like I say, this could break through this and create a new weekly low, which was created on Monday. It could come down, beat that, take out some of this liquidity, and then go up, and then work its way back up. But we'll see what happens. Remember, the Canadian news is an announcement on the Bank of Canada interest rates, which have been at 1.75 for the last year or more, and we'll just see what happens. The forecast is 1.75, but we'll see what happens with this now. We're getting nearer the time. There's only just over 90 seconds to go. I'm currently in drawdown on this trade, 15 pips down there, so we'll see what happens on here. It could go down, hit my stop loss, which is down here somewhere, around about here. We'll see what happens. That's a lovely cup of tea, that. So we're just waiting. As always, if you're watching this video on Facebook, please like my page as well if it's on my page. Page is called Les Gallagher. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing this every week, choosing a pair from our fantastic harmonic scanner, and then just following that for the week and getting some trades for that. So here we go. We've got about 30 seconds to go. It is touching that low of the week now. It has touched it. 44577. The low of the week, 44573. So it hasn't quite matched that yet. We're thinking about it. 10 seconds to go. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. It's broke through. It's going to take out some of that liquidity now, and then let's just see where this takes us. Oh, there we go. And this is based on an interest rate that wasn't really going to change much. So we've gone all the way up there, right up now. It's gone up through that Sunday opening, and you can see what's happening here with the banks. It's gone all the way up. It's took the imbalance out on this one, so we can get rid of that now. That's gone. It's gone up and it's touched Monday's high. I do believe that this is going to continue up. It may well go up and down now while it's deciding what to do. But just to quickly, I'll stop the share on here and I will share what's going on up here. I know you can't see it too much on the screen because my mug is in the way and I don't know how to move it. But I'm currently on plus 28 pips on there. So you can see here where it's activated. My stop loss now is running behind it. I'm in a risk-free trade now. I'm on plus 34 pips, and we're just going to let that run and we'll see where that goes. Okay, so we'll stop the share and we'll just go back to trading view and we'll just keep an eye on this and see what happens over the next couple of minutes. We've been into this since the news. 1:33, 35 seconds gone now. Yeah, it's heading straight up for that imbalance. It looks like it's going to take that out. If we go further, I'm just going to shrink this down a bit. We've got more imbalance above that high of the week, but I think it could break it, but I think it may stay in that range. And this is where my take profit is up here. Well, there we go. Look, it's just working its way through there. It's just wicked into it. And it's just balancing the market back up there, as it does. It looks quite dramatic on here, but it's only 60 pip move there. Not for me, it's a little bit less. I'm up on 50 pips now. It's took that imbalance out, so we can go there. It's just touched my stop. It hasn't quite yet. That's where my stop loss is. Sorry, my take profit is up here. We're just going to have another go, and this could continue up and up and take this out. But I've set my stall out for that. I'll be happy with that. I think it'll continue now and go on and take. Yeah, it's just took my trade out there now. So that's me done. It's going to continue up and take the rest out now. So I'm out of that trade there for 50 pips. Okay, so I've took 50 on that. I'm just going to check. I'll just check on the history there. That was EURCAD for a buy. Yeah. 20 pips, partial profit, and then it's gone all the way up to hit my target. So that's 50 pips. So I took 70 pips on that trade altogether, and that's going to keep on going. I wouldn't advise you to jump in on this. I do believe that'll keep on going, but that's enough now, just to show you how I've monitored this for the whole week from Sunday night opening and followed it through each Asian range. So market manipulation, where it's created a low of the week, and this is now the new low down here. So I'm going to move that down there. 44539. Click on OK, and that there now becomes the low of the week there. So we wait and see what happens tomorrow through the night here, but it's basically mitigated everything that it's created from Sunday, where it's manipulated the market all the way down here. It's built up a sale here, and then it's took all the buy, all the stop losses out, made people think it was going to happen, and then poof, it's gone. So you see up there now, the two I've marked. It's going now. Take that out. We take that imbalance out because that's gone. Just scroll out there now, and you can see the prices up here. So it looks like where it's wicked there. I'm looking at this here. We've got an equal high there. It looks like it may well be going for that. And we've got this high point up here, and then further and further. But we'll see. We'll have a look tomorrow and see what happens there. But that's it from me, guys, so far. So that's another 2 successful trades today altogether. That's 90 pips in total today, plus the 27 earlier. So that's 117 pips for the week on EURCAD. So that's not a bad 117 pips. So that's not too bad for the week. I think I may call it a week. I might have a look tomorrow because Thursday is normally a pretty good day as well. But we'll see what happens. We'll stick with EURCAD and we'll do maybe a little bit of a post-mortem on that. Well, that's it for me, guys. That is now the high of the week up there now. It's smashed through that as well. So I'm just going to move that up to there. May go higher, but I'll just do it there. And I may adjust that. 4, 5, 3, 7, 5. Okay. So we'll move that up there, and let's just check the news, and let's just see what the interest rate statement is. I'll just refresh that. Oh, and there we go. There we go. There we go. Interest rate decision. It stayed exactly the same as it has for the last 18 months or so, and we've had a huge $84 pip move based on the strength of that. So there you go, guys. No news is good news in this case. But that's it from me. Like I said before, as always, if you're watching this on Facebook, please like it. Please like my page. Please comment on it if you've got any comments. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can put some nice comments on there for us as well. So that's it from me, guys. And I will see you all tomorrow with another update. Thanks very much. Bye-bye for now.